How to fix maximum number of attempts reached on TikTok. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel and let's get started in order to fix this problem. Now first thing first, you might be seeing this error if you have tried a lot of things at once and TikTok recognize you as a bot. In order to fix this, make sure your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store or App Store, and as you do so, make sure that you see TikTok here. So simply go ahead, type in TikTok. If you see update, tap on update and update your app. At times when your application is not updated, it will show you various errors. Now let's go ahead and launch our TikTok and see if this fixes your problem. If not, you can also re-log into your account after logging out of it. Tap on three-bar icon, settings and privacy. Here tap on log out and then log back in again and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then here is the last thing you can try. Head over to your settings, scroll all the way below and tap on to apps. As you do so, you have to search for TikTok here as well. So tap on the search bar, type in TikTok, and then search. Wait for this to load. As you see TikTok, tap onto your TikTok app. Scroll below, tap storage. Clear the cache. If you remember your credentials like your username and password, you may also go ahead, tap on clear data and delete the data. Now once done, restart your device, get logged into your account again, and this shall fix your